Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In this video we will learn how to perform t-test for two independent samples in R. This statistical test is used to check if means of two groups are significantly different or not. We will use a data set on birth weights of male and female lambs. This data and the codes used in this video can be downloaded using the links in the description. So let's load this data using read.csv function. After loading this data, we will check the structure of this data using str function. Here the gender column is stored as character values, but it should be a factor variable. So we will change the class of gender variable to factor by using as.factor function. Now we will use class function to confirm the class of gender column. You can see the class of gender variable is now changed to a factor. So first we will compare the means of males and female lambs through the box plot. So type box plot and within box plot function type numeric variable, that is birth weight, and add a tilde symbol that is used to separate two variables, and at the end of this function add factor variable, that is gender. Run the code. So you can see here a clear difference between the mean birth weight of males and mean birth weight of females. But is this difference statistically significant? Let's check it out by running an independent t-test for two samples. So here we will generate our null hypothesis H0, that is mean of birth weight of males is equal to the mean of birth weight of females. And the alternative hypothesis is that the means in these two groups are different. To run t-test, type t.test. Within this function, type numeric variable birth weight, tilde, and factor variable. Here you don't need to mention any other argument, as the default arguments will be okay to perform t-test. As you run the code, R will give you output of t-test like this. Here you can see the t-statistic, that is negative 3.32, degrees of freedom, and the p-value. So the p-value is less than 0.05. Hence we reject null hypothesis. So we can conclude that the means of birth weights of males and female lambs are significantly different from each other. In other words, we can also say that the birth weight of male lambs is higher than the birth weight of female lambs. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and subscribe to this channel.